Welcome to Algebra 2. This year you'll be learning Algebra 2 using a flipped classroom. What this will look like on a weekly basis is you watching videos at home on your Chromebook and taking notes, and then practicing the material in class. Practice will consist of doing problems from the online textbook, worksheets or activities, and then quizzes and tests at the end of the week. You'll be able to find all of the videos you'll need on my YouTube channel on the Algebra 2 playlist. The expectations for a flipped classroom are that you will get out of the class what you put into it. The more quality time you spend watching and taking notes off of the video, the easier the practice portion will be. You are expected to have watched the video and taken the notes before class. If you don't, you will regret it, trust me. Each class period will begin with a brief review of the material and the notes. Come prepared to ask questions or discuss something that wasn't clear. After a short review, you'll work on the practice work to be completed in class. If for any reason you don't complete the practice work, you're welcome to complete it at home, but practice work completion will be handled on a student-to-student basis, as everyone learns at a different rate. Grading. Your grade will be based on three things: notes, in-class practice participation, and quizzes and tests. Your notes that you will complete after watching the video will be uploaded to a Google document. In class, you'll be expected to use the time to complete as much of the activity as you can. Quizzes will happen at the end of the week, and tests will happen at the end of each chapter. The breakdown will look like 5 points per day for notes uploaded to the Google Classroom, 5 points each day for participation in the practice activity, quizzes 15 to 30 points, and tests 100 points. Additionally, notes and practice will count for 30% of your grade, while quizzes and tests are 70%. The late work or makeup policy this year goes something like this. I understand that sometimes life happens. Maybe your internet's not working, maybe something happened and you had to be gone until late in the evening. You'll be given 2 free passes per quarter to be used as notes points. You'll still need to watch the video and take the notes and complete the work that you missed, but I'll give you a pass on your notes. If you miss class because you're absent, you'll need to make up the practice work as well. Your makeup work will be due the following day after you return to school from being absent. Supplies. It's important that we not share supplies this year, so keep these items with you in your backpack. Your composition notebook where you took notes, a couple of colored pencils and highlighters, pencils and erasers for completing the practice work in class, an expo marker for completing practice in class, a folder for keeping everything organized in your backpack, and your calculator. I cannot lend out the calculators, so either find an old one, find an app on your Chromebook, or if you're planning on advancing past Algebra 2, now's a good time to invest in yourself and buy one. They're on sale now. Also, I will not be passing out hard copies of the textbook unless you'd like to take one home and keep it there. You can find me here at school from 7:40 to 3:45. Please come find me before or after school if you need extra help. Also, I'm happy to set up a video chat and work with you one-on-one. Looking ahead at the next first full week of school, on Monday, I plan on finishing what we started this coming Friday. Your homework will be to watch a video, 1B Part 1. On Tuesday, we'll practice in class the stuff from 1B, and then your video homework will be to watch 1B Part 2, which we will then practice on Wednesday in class. On Wednesday night, you'll watch video 1C and take notes, and then Thursday we'll practice it. Notice that on Thursday night you won't have a video to watch in the evening. Instead, I just ask that you review your notes for Friday morning's quiz or Friday afternoon. In class, we'll take the quiz, and then we won't have any homework that Friday night because it's going to be a 3-day Labor Day weekend. All right, questions?